Hello, 6th standard children. Welcome to online class. So in previous classes, we have to discuss about the basic geometrical ideas. Yes, now starts exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. First main. Use the figure. Use the figure to name. To name. So the figure is what? This is the figure. This is the figure as this is the figure, and this also what? This is the point D, this is point E, and this is point O, and this is point B, and this is point C. So question is, so name the 5 points. So 5 points. Name the 5 points. So each point is called a single point. So 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point, and then 5 point. So there are 5 points there in the figure. So one is D. So second one is E. Third one is O. Fourth one is B, and fifth one is C. These are the 5 points. So now second point is what? Second point is line. A line. So name them. So lines are so many answers are possible in a line. So some are lines are introduce both the arrow mark in both the side. This is called as in a line. So line DE. So line DE. Line DE, because this is a line DE, so shows the arrow mark on both the sides. So another one is DO, line DO. This also shows the arrow mark on both sides, DO, and line DB, and line EO, and line EO, and line DE, and line EO, and line DB, and line EB, and line OB, and line OC. So many lines are possible. Some ones are right in the figures. Are understand? So third one is, so third one, a 4 rays. So rays are introduced, are mentioned as, so many answers are possible in the rays. Some rays are right. Rays are introduced as a mentioned as a one side arrow mark. One side arrow mark. So like DB mentioned as one side arrow mark. DE OB and OE one side arrow mark. EB one side arrow mark. OC one side arrow mark, etc. So many answers are possible. So some ones are writing in the figure. So DB is the race, DE is the race, HOB is the race, O is the race, and EB is the race, OS is the race. So next one is, fourth one is 5 line segment. 5 line segment. 5 line segment. Line segment are measured as, so points on both the end of the lines. That's called as a line segment. AB is the line segment. So in this way, many answers are possible. So some more are is a line segment. DE is a line segment, right, only for line. And then DO line segment, and then EO line segment, and OB line segment, and EB line segment, EO, DE, OC, OB, all the line segments are etc. These are the line segment. I understand. So now takes second question as second question is second main, name the line given in all possible ways, choosing only two letters, at a time from the four given at a times. So now figures are given. So this is the line. So one is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. So name the line segment, only for line segment, not race, not lines, not for segment, only for line segment. Name the line as given in all possible, line, not line segment, line. So now AB is the line, because as a showing is a arrow mark on both the sides. AB is the line, AC is the line, and then AD is the line, and BA is the line, BC is the line, BD is the line, BE is the line, CA is the line, and then CB is the line, CD is the line, and then DA is the line, DB is the line, DB is the line, and DC is also a line. It's showing the arrow mark on both sides. This is called as a line. So now, as taking another question, use the figure to name. So third main, use the figure to name. So what is the figure? Figure is says So is in one line. This is the showing as line, and then this one is also a line, and then this one is also a line. This is the line. So this is point E, and then this is point of F, and this is point of O, and this is point of D. This is point of D. This point of B, and this point of an A. So this point of an C. So in this figure, the questions are The first question is line containing point E. Line containing point E. Point E. Line containing point E. Second question is, first of all you have to write the question. So second question is line passing through A. Line passing through A. Line passing through A. Where is A? This is A. Third question is line on which O lies. Line on which O lies. O lies. Fourth one, two pairs of intersecting line. Intersecting lines. So answer is, now write the answer. The main question. Third, so in point A, line containing point E. Line containing point E. So many answer is, one answer is AE. Containing point E nalli. So AE is the line showing arrow mark on both sides. AE is the line. BE is the line. DE is the line. EA is the line. EB is the line. ED is the line. DA is the line. DB is also a line. So many lines are there. So now write only one line, a line A at a point of E. So second one is line passing through A. So as an answer is line passing through A means upon AE. Line AE. Line A. A is passing through a line AE. And then C, line on which O lies. O lies. O lies means this one is an O. As CO or OC, both are same. This line is passing through on O. So that means OC line or CO line. These are the same line. So and two pair of intersecting lines. So many answers possible. Some are intersecting of a line CO, where is CO and then AE. So CO AE intersecting at the point of B. Intersecting at the point of B. So means upon line CO and then line AE. So intersect at the point of B. So second one is, and so line AE intersect EF. So AE intersect of EF. AE intersect EF. Intersect EF. So now in this way you have to write the as a line containing point E, line passing through A, line on which O lies, and then two pair of intersecting lines. So fourth one is what we tell, how many lines can be passes through one given point. So question number 1 is, how many lines can pass through first one is one given point A. One is given point. So many lines is passes through one given point. So show that this is a point. So line it passes through one line, 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines, 5 lines, 6 lines, etc., etc. So many lines it passes through a means of an countless. So answer is what? The answer is countless, or many lines are passes through it. Countless. So countless line it passes through it. Next, take second question is in the same way. So two given points. B is two given points. So the two given points. So say point A and then point B. So this point, only one line it passes through two distinct points. So answer is only one line it passes through two distinct points. Are understand? Yes, okay.